Here I've got OnePlus 7T, and let me show you how to add fingerprint on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select settings. Here, locate and open security and screen lock, and now click on fingerprint. And it's time to select the backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code, or the password. I will pick the pattern, and now draw unlock pattern. Click on next, and now draw it one more time for confirmation. Click on confirm. And decide what would you like to see once your device is locked. It can be all notification content. You can also show just private content only, and don't show notifications at all. I will pick the third option. Click on done then, and now it's time to add your fingerprint. Click on next, and now just lift your finger up and then touch the fingerprint sensor to add all the edges. And just few more steps. We have to add edges. Make sure that your finger is completely covering the fingerprint sensor. And that's it. As you can see, the fingerprint has been added, so from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. This is it, and also if you will give your phone to somebody, he or she will be able to unlock it with this backup pattern. So that would be all. This is how you can add fingerprint to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.